hope it's real, but nowadays you can never tell what's real and what's fake. But that car is bad, and I'd spend my money on it. Let's talk about it. What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and the internet, Facebook, etc. has gone crazy at what look to be real photos of a new body style Charger with a wheelie bar, with a parachute in the Detroit streets, and it looks insane. In the video, you saw, I would spend my money on this. It has a rear wide body fender, no fenders in the front, a lot of carbon. It looks mean, it looks aggressive. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the pictures up right here, and I'll let you leave a comment. They look so real. Is it AI or is it a Hellcat? With so much going on about the 2027 Hellcat, this obviously isn't something produced by Dodge. This is something that, if real, was built by somebody in a shop, etc. But should Dodge start taking notes is the real question. Because right now, the front fascia, heck, the rear fascia, just throw the whole new body style Charger away. I'm gonna be honest. I like some of it. I like the interior. The interior is very, very nice. They definitely upgraded that, but that was long overdue. Toyota Camrys were killing us on the interior. But it's one of those things that you have all of that carbon. Yes, I get it. Factory carbon, BMWs, Mercedes, those are the only real from factory that you see with carbon roofs, etc. Cadillac CTSV has a carbon hood. But in general, the Mopar world went crazy, so why does the CEO not listen? I think there is some things that Dodge can put out that they're just not. I think the Hellcat being 777 horsepower is a sell point, but there's nothing in between. It's either the inline six or the Hellcat, and so you price a lot of people out. I talked about that in my last video, but the big thing is I watched a TikTok the other day about how many cars were on the market, or how many days worth of a car, and Chrysler 300, Jeep Renegades, Challengers, Chargers, all were a year or 366 or more days of supply, which means if they sold one car a day, that's how many days they go selling one car a day. Mopar is backed up. It's not popular. Mopar has lost, they've lost their mojo. You know, it's one of those things. I think when they went EV, they lost a lot of people. When they stopped making the V8, they lost a lot of people. And now they're trying to fill in these gaps, and then AI comes out with something, or somebody builds a car that looks crazy, and it's like, well, that's kind of what we wanted as true diehard Mopar, no car fans, and we're just not getting that. I think the drag pack, the motor is what we want, but the body style, the body lines is just trash. Let me know what you think. Is it AI or is it a Hellcat? We're out.